Let's wash out this stencil in real time using two different methods. So no matter which method you use to wash out your stencil, the first step is going to be to soak your stencil in warm water first. I just put a little bit of water in my sink and then cover my design with my clipboard so that it's not still being exposed to the light. And then I soak it for about 1 minute. And this is really going to help soften that emulsion on the coating and make washout a lot faster. So I'm going to be showing two methods to wash out your stencils, one with this TriggerJet nozzle and one just with a regular kitchen sink sprayer. This TriggerJet nozzle increases the water pressure and it really does make a difference. This is another nozzle available on Amazon that also can increase your water pressure in case you don't have good water pressure in your kitchen sink sprayer, and they really do make a big difference. So here we go. We are going to be washing out this stencil, like I said, using the TriggerJet nozzle. The thing with the TriggerJet nozzle is it does have a hose hookup, so this is great if you have a laundry tub. But you can see the fan spray and the pressure really does make washout go super quick. This is a high detail stencil. I soaked it for only about a minute, and washout is just taking me under 30 seconds with this nozzle. So that was all in real time. You could see the timer running. I didn't do any edits on that washout, and you can see I washed out all the details great. All right, now let's move to my kitchen sink. And this sprayer is super low pressure. I do not have good pressure at all in my kitchen sink sprayer. I'm also working in front of a window that is during the day, and also not recommended and not a good idea. So this is kind of almost worst case scenario that I'm showing in this video, but I'm still going to soak my stencil in a little bit of water first, exactly the same way I did in my work sink. And this step is always recommended no matter what, but especially if you have low water pressure, we really recommend it. It makes a huge difference when washing out your stencil because you're just softening that coating and emulsion. All right, so now we are ready to wash out the stencil. I like to just clip it to my clipboard, same exact way that I did in my work sink. I don't do anything differently here. And like I said, I am working in front of a window. If you can, then we recommend either closing your blinds, or if you don't have blinds like me and you're not filming, then you would just wash your stencils out at night instead of during the day. You don't want the sun to be coming in the window while you're washing out your stencil. What can happen is it can be exposing the unwashed areas of your stencil. It can be hardening those areas while you're trying to wash them out, especially if washout takes you a long time. So you can see this washout is taking me a lot longer already than it did with my TriggerJet nozzle. It's just because this sprayer has such low pressure, so it's just not removing those areas as fast. It is, of course, still working. It's just going to take a little bit longer. And when it comes to washout, your artwork makes a huge difference. So if your artwork wasn't dark enough and it let light through your artwork during exposure, it started hardening those areas underneath your artwork, washout is going to be much more difficult as well. And in our next video, we will be going over our top tips for washout, and we'll go over all of these things I'm mentioning in a lot more detail and go into the why of how it all works. But basically, you just want to make sure your artwork prints nice and dark, and that you're using warm water to wash out, and that you have good pressure. So as you can see here, even in front of my window and with not great pressure, it's taking me about 1.5 minutes to wash out my stencil. So a pretty big difference from the TriggerJet nozzle, but of course it does still work. If you have any questions about how to wash out your Ikonart stencils, just let us know in the comments.